I've faced a lot of uncertainty in my life. I've faced disease, I've faced loss, but every time I have, I've made a choice. And that choice is to let that hardship build me and never to let it break me. I am slowly losing the use of my peripheral nervous system. I am slowly losing the use of my feet, my lower legs, and within the next 5 or so years, my hands. I am slowly losing the thing that gives my life purpose, my movement and my fitness. As soon as you blame someone or something for your problems and your pain, you are giving your power over to them. As soon as you blame, you are choosing to be a victim. And I do not want that for you. I don't want that for anyone.